everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 7-inch round canvas ready to go here, and I want to try Strictly Boom Gel Stain and one of the pearlescent mica boom pigments. This one is cobalt blue. So everything I'm going to do is all from the Boom Gel Stain line. I did a little bit of shopping. I went to Becky Selman's art studio and I got myself a couple of the boom gels that I really wanted and I couldn't find, which is Pearlescent Cherry and the Native Violet Purple. I usually order from Fluid.co, but they haven't had very much of a selection, so I had to go elsewhere. So we're going to try these. I also got the Boom Gel Clear Flow Medium. That's what I mixed the pigment with. So we're going to try that. And there's also the Boom CA Pouring Medium. That is what I've got mixed here for my cell activator. I've got 1 part this and 1 part the Willy Wagtail Black. So that's what I'm going to use for my cell activator. Fingers crossed this works. And my base is going to not be house paint like I usually do. I'm going to be doing it with the Sterling Wax White. That's going to be my base. I think I pretty much covered everything. Oh yeah, I bought myself the smallest little blower. You know, I saw this months ago and thought, I'm not buying that. That's not going to do anything for me. But I have struggled so much with the blooms to get it blown out with my blow dryer. I've tried my airbrush. So we're going to give this guy a whirl and see if it works. Now again, I got all of this stuff from Becky Selman's art studio. Go check out her channel. Greg will put a link in the description below. And check out her website because she's got lots of different things to choose from. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I am trying to grow my channel and it does get a little discouraging when you don't get the views and such. So all my regulars, you know I love you so much. Thank you so much for all of your wonderful comments, your thumbs ups. You really do keep me going. So keep those comments and thumbs up coming, okay? All right, Greg's going to hit some music. Let's have some fun and fingers crossed this works. Thanks again, everyone.
I've been working like a dog day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs, and Jesus whiskey, and you're right next to me singing, hey honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why I'm gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Say hey honey, promise please that you're gonna be the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do. Heaven knows that you put your time into it. Hell of a woman, sweet red wine, and how you choose. Well, let's get one thing straight. It ain't about what you do for me. Well, I'm gonna love you, and I love you loving me. Singing, hey, honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey, honey, promise please that you're gonna be the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do, yeah. coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey, honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey, honey, coming home to you. Hey, honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Hey, honey, now promise me that you're gonna